Hey, hi. Hi everyone, myself Vishnu and welcome to Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator Associate AZ 104 course. In this video, I am going to give you a detailed understanding about this course and about how Network Rhinos trains you to pass certification as well as get a very good job after finishing the AZ 104. Let's start. So those who missed the first thing, myself Vishnu again, and I am from Network Rhinos, and this video all about explaining about Microsoft Azure 104 course. If you are someone who is looking to study this course, this is the right video for you. We are going to cover a lot of information end to end, so stay tuned till end of this video, guys. Let's see now. Starting with the course introduction. Okay, why choose AZ 104? It's foundation for cloud careers, meaning essential certification for building a solid career in cloud infrastructure. If you are someone who want to build a very good career in cloud, then this is the right starting point. It's a globally recognizable course, meaning once you have done the certification, employer all over the world will recognize you and you can get a better job opportunity also. High job demand, strong market need for Azure administration in IT as well as cloud infrastructure. Almost lot of companies are using Microsoft products, they're using Azure products. So they need engineers to handle those products. So once you finish this, they will hire you. Competitive salary. Azure administrator command attractive compensation package. So I'm not going to tell average package. It's like maybe like 4.5 starting average. I'm telling it can go below also, go above also, depending on how we crack the interview. Okay. Let's see. What is Azure AZ 104? AZ full form is Azure. 104 is kind of a subject code. Is the Microsoft exam for Azure administration role. This certification validates your ability to implement, manage and monitor an organization Microsoft Azure environment. Meaning you get job as an implementation engineer. You get job as to manage, troubleshoot and all, or even into a monitoring team person. There are wide job opportunities you can expect after finishing this one single course. Okay. In this you will study about virtual network, storage, compute, identity, security as well as governance. You study about all these concepts in single course. In Network Rhinos, we teach you identity and governance. We'll talk about virtual networking. We'll talk about monitoring and security, followed by compute resources, storage solutions, as well as cost management. So you will study about all these things in particular Azure 104 course. Those who are watching me on YouTube, please take a screenshot now. Okay, so screenshot done, great. Next, exam format. Let's see, they're going to ask you 40 to 60 questions, 2 hours, and passing score is 700 out of 1000. Don't worry, it's a very easy examination. Next, let's talk about the core concept. Nothing but your identity. We finish this one, identity. We'll talk about Azure Active Directory. It's a Microsoft cloud-based identity and access management services, the foundation for secure access to your Azure resources. See, like we put a very big wall or a very big door in front of house so that only secure people can come inside. Same way we have this core concept of identity. So in this we will teach you about user and group management. We'll talk about RBAC, nothing but role based access control. We'll talk about multi-factor authentication, nothing but MFA. We also teach you on single sign-on benefits to get seamless access, conditional access, and as well as identity protection. Talking about Azure AD authentication flow, we have the actual user who gives the access request. We get the application, then it goes to Azure AD environment, token is getting issued, and we got resource access. Those who are watching for the first time about Azure, it's quite not possible to understand all these concepts, but still don't worry. In AZ104 course with us, we will start from scratch and make sure you become an expert in max 2 months. Then followed by that identity concept, you will learn about next concept that is into virtual networks. We will teach you about what is Azure VNet, about subnets, network security groups, secure connectivity. Okay, here is a simple example I have given. As of now you can simply see it. Again, no need to go in depth of this. I have given clearly the subtopics also to understand it a better way. Okay, so Azure VNets are the fundamental building block for your private network in Azure, and you understand all these concepts in this particular topic or VNet topic. Then the core concept called compute. So in compute you will learn about virtual machines, you learn about app services, which includes PaaS for web apps, APIs, mobile backends with CI/CD integration. We'll teach you on OS management, like how to do patching, updates, security, baselines, and configuration management. Then you will learn about VM scale sets, deployment methods, backup and recovery also. So AZ104 exam focuses on up to 25% it's covered in compute. So this is a very important topic. Next, about storage, one of the very simple topic I should say. Okay, so Azure offers multiple storage solution to meet various data management needs. We will learn about blob storage, disk storage, data management, file storage, access control, security and redundancy using encryption of LRS, ZRS, GRS, GZRS replication options. Once again I am telling, if you don't understand these concepts, that's completely fine. This is what you're going to learn in the course. So don't worry if you feel, hey Vishnu, what is this? It's too hard to understand this word itself. Don't worry about it. We will teach you. Next is your monitoring. Azure monitoring provides comprehensive visibility into your cloud environment performance, health and security. In this you will learn about Azure monitoring, you learn about metric and analysis, custom dashboard, log analytics, alerts and notification. We'll also learn about the service health we have. I'm stepping away to take you guys a screenshot of this. Okay, please take screenshots. Sorry, I got some cold today. Clear? Next, automation, very important thing. These days companies are focusing a lot on automation. They are like, whatever repetitive job is there, they want to do automation. So there you go with automation. Azure automation enables consistent management, monitoring and governance of your Azure resource by automating processes and streamlining cloud management tasks. Here you will learn about Azure automation account. We'll learn about runbooks, which includes PowerShell, Python, or graphical steps. We will use PowerShell, Azure CLI. We also help you understand what are scheduled jobs. For example, you want to do upgrade at 2 a.m. You don't need to be awake. This guy will do. You can sleep. So scheduled jobs. So talking about automation workflow, you create write a script and run books. You publish to automation. You set the timing. Then that guy, Azure will run automation and he will track and optimize everything for you. So you wake up and see, is it success or fail? Simple. Automation reduces manual tasks by up to 80%. Imagine how much companies are focusing on automation part. So understanding automation is very, very important again in Azure. Then a very, very important concept on cost management. See, everyone in the world, they are running the business for, everyone knows that, right? So cost management plays very, very important role. Even though technical people don't directly involve in cost management, but still business runs on cost management stuff. So we will teach you on Azure cost management. That's going to help you monitor, allocate, optimize your Azure spending. Okay, as an Azure administrator, you will be responsible for implementing cost control, analyze spending patterns, optimize resource utilization to maximize cloud. So we will teach you on budgeting and alerts, cost optimization, chargeback models, cost analysis, reserved instances, and auto scalings also. So you will learn about all these things in AZ104. Next, with Network Rhinos, you get access for 24/7 access to real Azure environment. Okay, and average lab time will be around 30 to 45 minutes a day, which we do. If I take a 1.5 hour class, in this half theory, half lab. We will use hands-on experience with real-world practice with Azure resources. In Network Rhinos, we include live labs with real resources. Practice on actual Azure environment, not on the simulation or limited demos. You will be deploying the real resource in the Azure environment itself. Multi-interface mastery. We will not only cover only Azure portal. We are going to cover Azure portal, command line interface, as well as PowerShell. Meaning, same task you can do Azure using Azure portal, using CLI, using PowerShell also. Daily mini projects. That's our students love this concept of daily mini project. You will be solving real world challenges to build practical experience and confidence. So daily we'll give you small challenges, troubleshooting, or to create something in Azure which you'll be doing on a regular basis. These are termed as your mini projects. Guided troubleshooting. See, troubleshooting alone is not giving. We are giving you guided troubleshooting. Meaning, in case of any issues happening in Azure environment, our trainers will be assisting you. They will sit next to you. They will teach you on how to troubleshoot. Basically, they will give you a blueprint on how to see this issue and what are the steps you should follow to fix that problem. So that we are giving here. Tools and platforms. So sorry for these images not loading. I'm really sorry for that. So we'll talk about Azure portal. We'll teach you on Azure CLI, PowerShell, VS Code, GitHub, ARM templates. So these are the tools which will be covered in our training. See, you will get a real-time understanding. It's not just theory and lab we are covering. We are going to cover you theory, lab, real-time practical scenario followed by interview questions also. Next, training method, which is one of the most important point we have. See, in Network Rhinos, we follow a method called JOIP, Job Oriented Intensive Program. It's termed as Job Oriented Immersive Programming, or with some people call it as Journey Oriented Immersive Programming. I call it as Job Oriented Intensive Programming. These are our 4-step methodology that ensures practical mastery of Azure skills. Each step builds upon previous, creating a complete learning cycle that prepares you for real-world cloud administration challenges from the day you finish the course itself. What is our 4 steps? See, whenever we take one topic, for example, today I am taking a topic called blob storage. In that I cover theory first, followed by lab. Then I give you a real-time project, followed by interview preparation. Today you are learning XYZ service. You learn theory, lab, real-time project, interview preparation. All 4 are done. Tomorrow itself, if somebody is asking you in the interview about that XYZ service, you can easily answer them because we are covering everything. So at the end also, we will teach you theory, lab for each and every topic with project. We'll give you end-to-end solution, troubleshooting skills with team collaboration. Then 200 plus practice questions will be there, mock interview sessions are there, and industry insights are also given, meaning basically real-time one. See, our GeoIP methodology has 94% success rate in helping students achieve both certification as well as secure job placement. So that's the good point about it. Talking about duration and structure. See, about the course structure, there will be 40 sessions, 5 sessions a week, total of 8 weeks. You get certificate or you get certified in just 2 months. Talking about duration, it's going to be a 2-month comprehensive training, daily 1.5 hours of learning session, hands-on lab will be there for each and every class, and there will be an interactive Q&A session on each and every class. So if you have any question during the class, if you are taking an online session, unmute and talk to me. If you are taking an offline session, stand up and talk. So that's going to be a live interactive class, not a recording class. Okay. This slide, actually we thought of not to put it, but why we have to hide the price? See, everywhere they will give random price. We get students from India, we get from UAE, Singapore, Canada, even some Nigeria, African countries and all. We keep our fees open and transparent. That's what we charged. Affordable investment for your future. Normally we charge around 25,000, but as of now we have a special discount going on where we are charging only 15,000, where you no need to pay upfront anything. So you will give you a 3 installment of 5,000 rupees. Simple. Okay, and also no cost EMI is available. Even though we are giving you an EMI plan, it's no cost. We don't charge anything. So early bird discount, we normally have an early bird discount of 5% off for registration before the course starts. Okay, so we'll give registration fees that will be 5,000 or 1,000 rupees. On week 2 you have to pay 5,000, on week 4 you pay 5,000. So that's how it works. Or sometimes we charge like this. For registration you will pay like 1,000 rupees. For day one, once you join the class and you are happy about the class, you pay like 7,000 rupees. On day 14, you will be paying 7,000 rupees. Like that we charge. Okay. Talking about the batch timings. Duration is 2 months. Daily 1.5 hours, which includes hands-on lab also. We have a flexible schedule option. We have weekdays morning 7:30 a.m., 8 a.m. Perfect for those who are early birds. You can come. Evening also we have a class at 7 p.m. Also we are going to plan a class at 6 p.m. Morning again 9 a.m. we are going to start a class. See, per batch we are including like 8 students only. That's why as of now we have increased the timing. So it's like morning 7 a.m. one batch, then 9 a.m. second batch, evening 6 p.m. one batch and 7 p.m. one batch. For weekend people, we have weekend options also. That's going to be like 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. If you miss any class, don't worry about it. Access recordings are available. Also, you can join other classes for free. This option nobody gives you. So we give you a free chance to join any batch you like. You are in the morning batch, but you want evening also, you take it, you join. You want weekend also, you join. It's like you can join morning, evening as well as weekend batches. Charges will be same. You are not going to pay anything above 15,000 rupees. Talking about Azure Lab Access, it's going to be 24/7 lab portal access, and that will be on isolated learning environment. Meaning, if you are doing a mistake, if others are doing a mistake, that's not going to impact your account. We'll give you a separate step-by-step lab guide. I also will test your skills with advanced scenarios and real-time challenges. Let's talk about placement process. Very important thing, we provide comprehensive placement support for resume building all the way to job placement. We provide comprehensive placement support from resume building to job placement. See, our structured placement process prepares you for real world roles through mentorship, interview preparation and industry relevant projects. First, we help you in building your resume, Naukri and LinkedIn. We'll give you 200 plus technical questions. There will be weekly 1 day of special interview soft skill training, followed by weekly mock interviews. We'll give you real projects. Also, we'll give you direct job referrals through our tie-up companies. Okay, now about your job roles. So normally people get job as an Azure administrator. They get job as a cloud support engineer, infra engineer, DevOps support associate. So these are the average package which I have taken from PayScale websites. Azure admin 6 to 12 LPA, cloud support engineer 5 to 10 LPA, DevOps support 7 to 14 LPA and infra engineer from 8 to 15 LPA. So this one certification course is opening jobs or opening doors for various cloud career path. So when you join Network Rhinos, what are the joining kit we give you? We give you study guide and roadmaps. We give you cheat sheets and top FAQs, project labs and diagrams. We'll give you class recording for lifetime. It's not limited to 1 or 2 years. This will be for lifetime. Because you paid it, you earn it. Okay? Complete package will give you all resources available from day one itself. AZ10 exam objective mapping if you want to clear the examination, practice test question, Azure portal navigation guide separately will give you sample solutions and templates also, whatever we are giving you, this will be lifetime validity. It's not limited to 1 to 5 years, it's lifetime. Now, why to choose Network Rhinos? Your trusted partner for Azure career success. We have 10 plus year of excellence. We have a decade long experience on training and placing freshers into IT jobs. We'll give you weekly mock interviews, real-time enterprise lab setups. We have affordable EMIs with no extra charges, and you get lifetime access. So we have around 95% placement success rate in our training institutions. So thank you all. If you're ready to start your Azure administration journey, then this is the right place, right time too, because a lot of people are studying Azure today. So to inquire about this course, and if you have any doubts or question, please feel free to ping on the comment section on this particular video. My phone number is not given yet, so I'll just give it later on. If you want to email us, you can email us here. If you want to call us, you can call on this number 9790901210. That's my phone number. If you want to discuss about anything, starting from any questions or something, you can always call my number. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. I hope it was useful. And if you want to watch Tamil version of it, I am making a separate video on Tamil also. You guys can watch that video for Tamil student. Thank you.